Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the syllabus of engineering mathematics and the code is BT102. We have 5 units or 5 module in which module number 1 and 2 are based on calculus 1 and calculus 2. That means calculus 1 having differentiation and calculus 2 having integration part. Module 3 sequence and series, module 4 vector spaces and module 5 matrices. The module 1 having the following topics: Rolle's theorem, mean value theorem. Rolle's and mean value theorem both are define the differentiability, continuity of the function in a given interval. Maclaurin's and Taylor series. Maclaurin's and Taylor series are the expansion of the function in the ascending powers of x. And Maclaurin series is a particular case of Taylor series. Partial differentiation. The partial differentiation, that means differentiation with respect to any variable, but the function depends on more than one variable. And in partial differentiation, if we suppose z is a function of x and y, two variable, then the partial differentiation with respect to x keeping y constant, and when we differentiate z with respect to y, then x treated as a constant. Maxima and minima of two variable. Maxima and minima defines the highest and the lowest value of a function in a particular interval. Module 2. As we all know about the differentiation application, a differentiation of a function defines the velocity and acceleration of the object, and differentiation calculate the rate of change or slope of the function. For example, a physician may want to know how small changes in doses can affect the body response to a drug. It has wide applications in real life problems and engineering, medicine and business and so on. Now the unit number 2, integral calculus. It has these topics: double and triple integration, change of order, beta gamma. Beta gamma are the new functions, and volume and surface area using double and triple integration and its application part. Third unit is sequence and series. I think you all know about the sequence and series and convergent in the class 12th. The third unit all about the convergence of the series and test of the convergence. We have so many tests for convergence: power series and Taylor series, Fourier series. Fourier series having two series, half range and full range. Half range contains sine and cosine series. Fourth unit, vector space. Vector subspace, linear independent and independent basis of vector space, linear transformation. The linear transformation and linearly dependent and independent are very simple and very short numericals. and this unit basically this unit is a theoretical unit in which we have so many definitions and theorems. The last unit is last and very important unit is matrices, because this is the most I think this is very simple, easy to understand and scoring unit for you. The rank, simultaneous equation by elementary transformation, consistency, eigenvalue, eigenvector, and Cayley-Hamilton theorem, out of which the simultaneous equation and Cayley-Hamilton theorem, it is well known topic for 12th standard 12th pass out student, and you all know about the multiplication, plus minus, and elementary transformations, row column transformation. So this unit is very simple for you, and all topics are very important in this unit. These are the reference books: D.C. Agarwal, D.K. Jain, H.K. Das, and Sonen Gupta. All books are very good, and all books are very good in both of sense, application part and numerical part. Given so many examples, so you can refer any of one book. Thank you so much.